What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be breaking down how Cole Bennett created this cool effect in this music video Sorry by Kid Laroi. It's a pretty creative effect, honestly. I've never really seen anything like this done before. Maybe you guys have, but this is kind of the first time seeing this, I guess, done in a video. So basically what he did is masked it out, so one side of the frame is colored and the other side is black and white, and then the subject, Kid Laroi, is still in color here. So it's a super cool effect and really creative, honestly. So when I saw this, it kind of just stood out to me. And what kind of sells it too is having this telephone pole here, like kind of separating the frame. He does it a few other times in this video, I believe. It's right here. As you can see, he does the same effect, but this time he doesn't have a telephone pole or anything, so you can actually do this effect without having like an object. But I think it does look better when you have like a telephone pole or just some kind of object that's kind of just filling the screen. But yeah, as you can see, he does the effect again here and it just looks super clean. And then yeah, once again right here, same effect. So yeah, basically what I did is kind of replicated this effect kind of the best as I could. So I'll play what I recreated here. So as you can see, pretty similar to that music video. You can see the black and white is on this side, and then we have the colored frame on the right side. And I'm using this kind of pillar right here to separate that frame, almost like that telephone pole. So having a subject in your frame like this, or just some random object, will kind of help bring the effect all together. So I'd recommend using some type of footage like this for this effect. But yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into how I created this effect. So first thing I have here is obviously just the raw footage. And then we want to go ahead and create a mask for separating the color and the black and white. So I'm just going to go kind of at the end so I can see this pillar here. I'm just going to create a mask on this pillar here, and then let's just bring it up to the roof and then just zoom out and then go outside of the frame here. And then I'm just going to hit M to bring up the mask and bring this to none so I can actually see the mask here. I'm just going to right click the mask and hit track mask. And let's just track forward, see how that does. That actually looks pretty good. So I'm just going to go ahead and track backwards now. So now what I'm going to do is duplicate this layer 2 times, just hitting Control D. And on the top layer here, I'm just going to delete this mask and go into the rotor brush. And this is where we have to rotor brush out our subject. So it stays colored the whole time, even when it does cross our mask right there. So that's basically why I'm rotor brushing him out here. All right, so I just finished rotor brushing. So I'm going to go ahead and freeze our rotor brush here. And basically what this does is freezes our rotor brush. So when we're working later on, the rotor brush won't keep kind of messing around and trying to readjust even when we're not wanting it to. So this will kind of freeze what we have right here. Then we can go into our main composition. Now on this middle layer, I'm going to hit M and bring our mask back to add. And then on the bottom layer, I'm just going to go in here and search up tint and apply tint onto our bottom layer. So now you can see the one side is now black and white and the other one is colored. So just like that, we've pretty much recreated the effect. As you can see, my rotor brush isn't that great around here. So you really do want to have a pretty clean rotor brush, or else the effect might kind of look, I guess, a little weird. So yeah, make sure your rotor brush is cleaned up. And then the fix is like a weird kind of harsh, I guess, line here. Let's just hit M on the middle layer for the mask and then just bring up this arrow here. And you can see the mask feather. And then let's just bring this to like 150 or something. See how that looks. As you can see, that just smooths out the edges. You could even bring that up to 200 to really smooth it out. And there we go. That is pretty much how you create this effect. I did add a brightness and contrast to that bottom layer. Kind of makes the black and white pop a little bit more. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Hopefully you guys found this video pretty like helpful and I guess interesting, because I thought this effect was pretty cool when I saw it in the Kid Laroi music video. So if you guys want me to break down more effects in music videos or just any videos in general, make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll try to get to them and see what I can do. But yeah, with that being said, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.